How to order T-Mobile prepaid SIM card online. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. You need to start by heading over to any of the web browser, and then in the search bar, you need to search for tmobile.com/prepaid. Wait for a while, it will be landing you on this official page. In this page, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will see the option of more ways to connect. Over here, you will need to select SOP phones, right beside the SOP tablets. Wait for a while for it to load. Now select the SIM card that you would like to add. All you're going to do is click on the SIM card. Now scroll down and you need to select the quantity of the SIM card that you'd want to purchase. After that, click on Select at the bottom. Choose the respective options from here. You can choose unlimited data plans or data-only plans. Select according to your need. Now scroll down and select Specific Data option. All you're going to do is click on Select. Once you're ready to pay the amount, click on Begin Checkout. You will need to enter your payment method. Enter all the information of your card and then pay the specific amount. After that, you will be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.